Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Rocket Mortgage account online. To access your Rocket Mortgage account, the first thing to do is to visit a web browser. Now, go to the URL box at the top and type in rocketmortgage.com and search. Once you get to the official website for Rocket Mortgage, go to the sign in button at the top right hand corner. Now, you will find yourself in the sign in page for Rocket account. You'll first need to sign in by entering your username and password to access your Rocket Mortgage. If you don't remember your username or password, you can click on the Forgot Username or Forgot Password link respectively. But if you remember your credential, there should be no problem. Go ahead and type in your username first and then your password. After filling in your credential, click on Sign In, and this will take you to the main homepage for Rocket Mortgage account. You can now view your loans, details, make payments, and much more. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.